I once watched a bird struggle with a twig. The twig was too big for its beak, yet it kept trying, flapping, and adjusting, determined. After several failed attempts, it dropped the twig entirely. I thought it had given up, but moments later, it returned with a smaller stick. This time, it succeeded, weaving it into its nest. I realized then persistence isn't stubbornness. Sometimes success means letting go, reassessing, and starting smaller. The bird didn't give up, it got smarter. In life, failure isn't the end, it's the beginning of finding a better way. Let go, start again, adapt. That's true strength.